We're going to read today the book Don't Push the Button. I wonder what's going to happen. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't think about it. Well, it does look pretty nice though. Maybe you should give it one little push. Okay, here we go. Oh! Ah! Now I'm yellow! Push it again! Whoa! Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Okay. Deet, deet. Oh! Ah! Now there's two of me! Push it a bunch of times. Quick! Uh-oh. Whoa. Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of the extra Larrys. Let's shake it. Let's shake the book. Let's shake the book. Shake. Oh. A little, almost a little bit more, he says. Just shake. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Okay, let's scratch Larry's tummy. Let's scratch his tummy. Let's see if that worked. Awesome. That tickles so much. Okay, so much better. Let's not push that button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. That was a fun book. Hope you're doing great today. Have a wonderful day. Bye, friends.